I'm glad we stopped to eat. I'm so hungry.
Me too, Helios. But I'm glad you're hungry. Just so you know, we haven't stopped our study of plants yet.
Oh, we're still going?
Uh-huh. This pizza is the beginning of our next lesson.
Oh, are we learning to make pizza?
Not quite. We're learning what's on top of a pizza. Wait, no, Helios. Just a moment, steady on. Before we eat, we need to observe.
Oh, I see pizza.
Correct. But what is on top of the pizza? What sort of pizza have I ordered?
Well, a delicious pizza.
Probably. But more specifically, I ordered a veggie supreme. That means every single topping on top of this pizza is a plant.
What? Every single one?
Yeah.
Huh. Wow, but I see so many different kinds.
Well, go on then, Helios. Name a few. Tell me what you see.
Oh, tomatoes.
Good.
I see mushrooms. Cucumber. Little pieces of corn.
Ah, very good, Helios.
Oh, but teacher, these toppings can't all be plants.
They can. And that's what we're going over in this video, the many different types of plants and how we group them together, because they come in many different shapes and sizes.
Oh,
Oh, Helios,
huh?
did you eat all the pizza?
What?
Never mind. Looks like we need to take a little bit of a walk to try and find more plants. The first thing to understand is that different plants grow in different ways. We call this their growth habit. A plant's growth habit refers to how tall they get, their shape, and their appearance.
Oh, like how a tree looks different from a sunflower?
Exactly. A tree and a sunflower have different growth habits, and that's how we're going to classify plants today. So, go ahead and put on your glasses, Helios, because we're going to try and find the 5 types of growth habits. Ah, looking good, Helios. But are you sure you want to use those glasses?
Yes.
Okay. Based on growth habits, plants can be divided into 5 types. The first we'll look for are herbs.
Oh, herbs were in the supermarket. Oregano, chamomile, mint, ice cream.
Chamomile, but yes. Indeed, if you're outside and you want to find herbs, you need to look for short plants about 2 to 3 meters in height with a soft green delicate stem. Ah, like this one.
Ah.
This wild basil is an herb. Herbs complete their life cycle within 1 or 2 seasons. Generally, they have very few branches or are completely branchless, just like this. And as we've already said, they contain many nutritional benefits. Now, take a look at that plant.
Oh,
Ah,
it's bigger than an herb. And me.
that is a shrub. This is the second kind of growth habit.
Shrub.
Shrubs are medium-sized woody plants, taller than herbs and shorter than trees. Their height usually ranges between 6 to 10 meters tall. As you can see, shrubs are bushy and have woody stems with many, many branches.
Ouch. The stems are hard.
Ooh, the stems are hard, that's true, but they are flexible and they don't break as easily. Lemon, jasmine, and rose are some common shrubs.
Roses grow on shrubs?
They do. The rose grows on rose shrubs. So what 2 growth habits do we have so far?
Herbs and shrubs.
Good. Now the next type of growth habit is a little bit more obvious.
Oh, trees.
Your favorite.
Second favorite.
Second favorite, that's right. Trees are taller than shrubs with strong trunks that are thick and woody. They also have quite a large lifespan. Mango, cashew, and oak are some examples of trees.
Mangoes grow on trees?
Mangoes grow on mango trees.
Oh, how amazing.
Plants truly are amazing. And next we have...
Teacher, what plant could be taller than a tree?
Well, we're not looking for something taller. Ooh, there.
Where?
Just a little bit to your... There you go. Right over there. Growing on the trunk of that oak tree. Those are called climbers.
They look like the tree's leaves.
Not quite. Notice how the leaves are wrapping around the trunk. That's because it's actually a jasmine plant growing around or climbing the oak tree.
That's why they're called climbers. Because they climb?
Exactly. Climbers grow onto things since their own stems are really weak. They do this using special structures called tendrils. Peas, money plants, and jasmine are examples of climbers. And just like climbers climb, there's also something called creepers.
Huh. Do creepers creep?
They sure do.
Here, teacher. This plant is creeping.
Ah, look at that. Good eye.
It's growing along the ground.
Yes, creepers are plants that grow along the ground. They have very fragile, long but thin stems that can't quite stand or support themselves, just like this strawberry plant.
Huh. This is where strawberries come from?
And did you know that watermelons are creepers as well? So are pumpkins and sweet potatoes.
Wow. I like creepers. They stay close to the ground, like me.
Just like you, Helios. Well, there you have it, the 5 types of growth habits.
Huh. Shrubs, herbs, trees, climbers, and strawberries.
Creepers.
Creepers.
Now, growth habits are one way we classify plants, but there is another.
Ah, I knew it. Plants that go on pizzas and plants that don't.
Not quite. How about we just go to our next location? It'll make things a little more obvious.
Oh, teacher, how exciting! Let's go!